Arshia will do some colors today. Okay, Arshia will tell colors. Where's the color? Red. Then where's green?
Green.
Where's brown?
Brown.
Where is purple?
Purple.
Yeah. Where did purple go? Where's purple? That's orange.
It is purple.
Acha, where's pink? Tell me where's pink. Where's green?
Green.
Where's grey?
Green.
Where is black? Where is white?
White.
Where's purple?
Purple.
Yes, now you know purple. Let's do shapes now. Shapes. Heart. Where's a circle?
Circle.
No, that's not circle. That's rectangle. Where's circle?
What circle?
Oh, that's square. Where's circle?
Circle.
That's oval. Where's circle? The yellow circle. Yellow.
What?
Where's a star? Star. Star. Not the moon. Star. Where's the moon?
Moon.
Yes. Where is heart? Where's square?
Square. Square.
That's rectangle. Okay, you don't know the shapes yet. Okay, let's see here. This page.
Page.
Okay, where's cat?
Meow.
Where is cat?
Meow.
Meow. Where is mouse?
Quick, quick.
Where is parrot?
Parrot.
Parrot. You don't know parrot?
Oh.
Oh, okay.
Okay, parrot. Here, parrot.
Okay, say good night. Good night to the book. Say
Parrot.
Parrot. Where's parrot? Carrot. That's carrot.
Carrot. Carrot. Carrot.
Not parrot. That is carrot. What is that?
That cover.
Yeah.
Pizza.
Okay, where's your bicycle? Pizza. Okay, pizza. Where's pizza?
Burger.
Yeah.
Pizza.
And where's bicycle?
Burger.
Very good. Where's flower?
Flower.
Okay, very nice.